I loaded earlier about 11 a.m. I dropped off in Chicago, and I loaded about 86,000. I'm going to Canton. I loaded out of Burns Harbor. So I had my drop off tonight at midnight. So I went home, picked up the kids from school, got some lunch, took a small nap. I'm about to head out right now in a little bit. Right now, when I was coming to the yard, I seen a couple accidents already, a couple cars on the side of the road. So hopefully it's not bad right now, heading down right now. So hopefully it's not bad right now, heading down. Hopefully we have a safe travel. This snow's supposed to stop today at at midnight. So I'm gonna run east though. So the snow's running south. So hopefully I don't catch too much snow. And let's hit the road. But actually I'm gonna check my load real quick. Then I'm gonna head out. I actually got my oil change right now too. That's why I didn't want to head out. I passed myself over 2,000 miles, but I mean, it's not bad, but I just needed my oil change as well. I just washed my truck. I want to say Friday, and it's already dirty as hell. Bad thing about living in the north. Let's head out now. Well, I'm gonna check my load real quick, and we're gonna head out. Actually, I'm gonna get some diesel, then head out. I'll see you guys over there. We just finished fueling. I put about 110 gallons. It was like 450 around there, 444. It's only it's only 222 miles from here, so I should be able to load and come back with the same fuel. This is the good thing about working here. Well, we don't go that far. I mean, that's available over the road, but I think to regional, it basically pays the same, and I'm not away from the family that much. So it's only 222 miles, and I'll probably load something out of Butler. It's only like 2 hours away from here, so it's gonna save me some diesel. And I'm gonna take this jacket off and head out. It's gonna be worse, but it's not that bad. But I don't know if you guys can see, I'm going 45 miles per hour on the right lane. Right now all these trucks were all bunched up together, but if you guys think you guys take long to stop with 80,000, it takes me the double more time as a truck with 80,000 to stop with all this weight. And I don't know, that's my worst fear, killing someone because I'm not able to stop, or killing myself not able to stop. So I always try to manage my distance, make sure I can see, make sure I'm not riding around with a bunch of trucks together. One little mistake can cost you your life. So I don't know, I see a lot of trucks that don't have a lot of patience. They be tailgating these trucks to move faster, but oh no, that's not me. I'm not sure why they do that. It's ignorance, if you ask me. I'd rather go good distance. I'm able to stop. I'm able to see traffic over here and over here. I can see traffic from the back and from the front. I mean, if you don't like it, I'm going slow, just go around me. There's 3 lanes, you know. I don't know, these trucks also think like it's safe because they put salt. I mean, yeah, they put salt, but later in the day, that's when we'll freeze and it turns to black ice. That's why I actually decided to leave today. I was originally supposed to leave tomorrow, get it preloaded and leave tomorrow, but I'd rather leave today because I already know at night the snow is going to turn to ice. and there's gonna be a lot of traffic on the road like always. These trucks be flying through these curves, flying through the E-way as you guys can see. That's why I decided to leave today, so I'm gonna drive real slow going over there. Hopefully I say like about 50 miles the snow should stop though. I'm hoping, because I seen on the news the snow is actually going south. It's going southeast, but I'm going east. I'm going towards towards Cleveland. I'm going to Canton, Ohio. I'm going towards that area over there. About 1 in the morning right now. I unloaded around 10 o'clock, I want to say 10 or 11, I'm not sure, kind of forgot already. But I went to two pilots, Flying J and Pilot, they're the same thing. I went to a Speedway, I went to Love's, I went to a rest stop, and I ain't find no parking. So right now I'm heading where I'm gonna load tomorrow morning. You guys can see these roads are pretty bad. I'm only 30 minutes away, but these roads are bad. Like, they didn't clean them at all. So right now I'm heading that way, and this light went out actually as well. Well, not as well. That light went out when the light went out when I got to Canton to unload. Out of nowhere, it just stopped working. I tried to fix it, and the wire ended up burning. So I'm not sure what happened there. Roads are bad. Hopefully they clean them tomorrow in the morning. These are bad. I'm gonna just park it over there, call it a night. I'm tired. Make sure there's no trains coming. We'll keep rolling right now. I'm gonna just go 20 miles right now. Actually, on the way over here, we had to go like 30 miles per hour. They're cleaning the snow. The snow was bad. so we gotta go behind the snow plowers. So we're going slow. It took me longer to get here, but thank God I was able to make it. Now I'm gonna make it over there and just call it a night. I'm about 30 miles per hour right now. Oh no, there's a car coming. They didn't clean this side of the road, so hopefully this guy sees it. I'm gonna just slow down, just in case, you know. I think it's a truck. It's going pretty fast. Yeah, it's a truck. That was a car. That truck's speeding. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you can't even see the road on the other side. He's probably familiar with this road. I'm not sure, but I don't trust this snow. Forgot there was a Lowe's right here, so hopefully if we find something here. Let's see if we find a parking here. Hopefully we find something. Oh, it looks packed as well. It don't hurt to try, you know. So we'll check it out. These guys even park on the street. Oh, this is bad. Amazon driver just parked in the middle. You guys see that? Fuck this. There's nothing here either. Alright, I'm gonna keep rolling. Woke up. Well, I didn't wake up. I woke up like 3 hours ago. As you guys can see, I couldn't find parking last night. I ended up staying over here in Butler where we usually get loads, but it's been dead. Been waiting for what, 3 hours. So I think I'm gonna just head back It's a 2-hour drive, which is not bad. But I mean, sometimes we gotta learn how to take losses. Not every day is gonna be a good day, you know. So I'm gonna just head back and get a load from over there. I'll probably run down. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm right here. I've been waiting since, I don't know what, 6 in the morning. I woke up at 6, and I've been waiting ever since. I'm right here at the mill. They have a big truck stop. Well, it's not a truck stop. They have a lot of parking here. This is where I end up staying. So I'm gonna just head home right now. Hopefully I get a load, and we continue rolling. The roads are pretty bad still so far. So hopefully, as you guys see, last night they didn't clean the snow. So hopefully now that people woke up, whatever, they actually clean the snow. So let's head back and enjoy the day. I mean, I can't be upset about it. Sometimes, like I said, we gotta learn how to take losses. This past week's been great, but I mean, I don't know why today is just so slow. There's no loads. It's already 11. It's almost over here. It's 10 o'clock. It's 11. Yeah, it's about midday, so I don't think we're gonna get anything. So let's roll back. I just got to the yard a while ago. I was fixing my light. I ended up fixing it. I had a short on the lights. Well, I hadn't short. I had to cut cables. When I tightened it up, I guess the screw got tight. But we're here now. I'm not gonna load today. I'm just load tomorrow. Preload for Monday. Call it a week. I put in like about 7 loads today, this week. So I mean, we should be good. I'm here at the yard. You guys can see snow on the ground. It's not that much, but we're supposed to get another storm when tomorrow and Saturday and Sunday. So hopefully we don't get no more snow. Then next week the weather's supposed to drop. It's supposed to go negative. So wish us luck over here in the north, and be grateful you guys don't have this type of cold, because it sucks. Well, that's it for today, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow, and any like or comment helps the channel grow. Like I said, I'm gonna try to put as much videos as I can a week, but I can't promise anything because it's hard sometimes. So I'll see you guys in the next video.